In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile on mobile. We'll keep this simple and efficient. You'll start by grabbing your channel link from the YouTube app, then paste it into the website section of your LinkedIn contact info, and finally do a quick check to make sure it's showing up correctly on your profile. Begin on your phone in the YouTube app, signed into the channel you want to share. Look to the bottom right and tap your profile picture to open the account menu. You'll see familiar options like switch account and turn on incognito. In that same area, look for share channel and tap it. When the share options appear, choose copy link. That copies your unique channel URL to your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere. If your app looks a little different and you don't see share channel, open your channel first and use the share button there. Either route is perfect. Just make sure you end up with your channel link copied. A quick tip, your link will usually look like youtube.com/@yourhandle or youtube.com/channel/sales followed by an ID. That's exactly what you want. Now switch over to the LinkedIn mobile app. Tap your profile icon, then tap it again to jump into your profile. On your profile screen, tap the pencil icon on the right to edit. Scroll to the bottom and choose Edit Contact Info. In the Contact Info screen, scroll until you find the website section. Tap to add or edit a website, then paste the YouTube link you just copied. If you see a label or type option, pick something clear like Other or YouTube so visitors instantly know what the link points to. When you're done, save or confirm your changes to make it live on your profile. Let's verify it worked. Back on your profile, tap the three dots near the Add section, then select Contact Info. You should now see your YouTube link listed under Websites. Tap it to test. It should open directly to your channel in your browser or the YouTube app. If it doesn't open correctly, just repeat the copy and paste steps to ensure the full link is captured. From here on out, anyone viewing your profile who taps that link will be taken straight to your YouTube channel, and that's all there is to it. You copied your channel link from YouTube, added it to the website section of your LinkedIn contact info, and verified that it appears and opens correctly. It's a quick, effective way to guide professional visitors to your video content. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.